Hello everyone, division of a polynomial. So today in this class I am going to explain how to divide a given polynomial. So most of you often face in finding the quotient when a polynomial is divided by an expression is divided. So for example, if you are given a polynomial y cube plus y square plus 2y plus 3, if it is asked to divide this polynomial by y plus 2, so this you are going to do division of this expression, that is y cube plus y square plus 2y plus this is a polynomial, and you are asked to divide this one by what? Y plus 2. So in this class I am going to explain you how to divide an expression or a polynomial in a very simple way. Okay, so let us write this one. So which is your divisor here? This one, and this is the dividend. This is called the dividend, which has to be divided. So how we are going to write here? Y cube plus y square plus 2y plus 3. It has to be divided by what? You are going to divide this one by what? Y plus 2. So I am going to explain here in a simple way without any confusion how can you solve this type of questions. So remember this one and follow the method which I am going to discuss here, so that you can avoid the confusions whenever you get the division of such polynomials. So what is our divisor? Divisor is ours. It is y plus 2. Write it on this side here. And what we have to get here? This is first term you have to see here. This is y cube, and what is our divisor? It is with power 1, y plus 2. Just you multiply this one with y square, so that you will get y square into y cube, and not to worry about what you will get next after the y cube, the terms. So y into y square makes it y cube plus 2 into y square is 2y square. Very simple. Okay, follow this one. The same thing you are going to write below this one, y cube plus 2y square. So you are dividing this you are dividing this polynomial with this one, y plus 2. So for this one, first you have taken y square. So y square into this term is equal to y cube plus 2y square. Now according to our what we follow in the division, same thing you are going to do here. So just change the sign. If it is plus, make it minus. If it is plus, make it this also minus. So this y cube plus y cube, now the sign related to this y cube is this one, minus, and the sign related to this 2y square is minus, not the plus. So y cube minus y cube goes. So what you are having here? Y square minus 2y square, right, on side, so that you can very easily simplify this one. So this is y square minus 2y square. It is better to consider some, if you are getting confused, consider some as 1y square. 1y square minus 2y square. So 1y square, 2y square is what? It is y square, as I explained in the previous one, how to add and subtract positive and negative numbers. So according to that one, so we are subtracted from 1 the 2, that is y square, 1y square are getting, but with negative sign, because bigger term is having negative sign. So what you are having here? Minus y square. Okay, this is the subtraction of these two terms. Next you have 2y, write it with this one. So minus y square plus 2y. So remember this one, if we have here minus sign, just without fail, without any waste of time, immediately put your minus sign, so that you will not get confused with most students. They get confused in the signs only in this one. So now look at this one. So what I have, y plus 2 is our divisor, and now I want y square, and that too minus y square. That means to get from y to y square, I have to multiply y with minus y, then I am going to get minus y square. So what I am doing here, I am multiplying this one with minus y. So y into y is y square. Of course, plus minus it is minus y square. And next, plus 2 and minus, that is 2 into y is 2y, and plus minus, this is minus 2y. Very simple. Minus y square minus 2y you are getting when you multiply y plus 2 with minus y. So what you are doing here, you are multiplying this one with minus y. So you are going to write here, that y, and this answer just below this one, minus y square minus 2y, very simple. Okay, this minus becomes plus and this minus becomes plus. So what you get here, minus y square and this is plus y square and this is plus 2y. So it goes here. Now here without changing sign, just you don't, some most of students whatever here plus and it is minus, they just go cancel the term. Don't do that one. We have to follow the rules. So according to this one, this is minus and it becomes plus. So what happens here, plus 2y plus 2y plus 2y makes it 4y, plus 2y is 4y. Okay, then you have next term remaining here in this expression is plus 3. Okay, now what we are having here, 4y plus 3 and our divisor is y plus 2. What to do here, just write once again y plus 2 here. So what do you want, no sign here, plus, that is negative sign, plus sign, not to worry, just put here plus sign. Okay, then you have here, this is 4y and we have y. So just multiply this one with 4. What happens here? Y into 4, 4y plus 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8. This is the expression you are getting after multiplying y plus 2 with 4. So what we have done here? We have multiplied this one divisor with 4 to fulfill what we want. So what we want here? 4y plus 8. Okay. So now once again according to our rules, this becomes minus, this plus becomes minus, it goes, and plus 3 minus 8 it is, plus 3 and it is minus 8. What is this one? Plus 3 minus 8. One is positive, one is other is negative. What to do? Plus and minus. The subtraction of 3 from 8. That is, you are getting 5. Bigger number is a minus sign. You are getting here minus 5. So this concludes the solution of this problem. That means when you divide y cube plus y square plus 2y plus 3 by y plus 2, you are going to get the remainder as minus 5. Remainder getting as minus 5 and your quotient is y square minus y plus 4. This ends. Okay. So few more problems I'll solve and show in the next class. Thank you.